Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something that has been generating a lot of buzz lately, the 2025 Tesla Model 3. Tesla has been revolutionizing the automotive industry for years now, and the 2025 Model 3 promises to take things even further. Let's explore what makes this car so exciting and why it could be the perfect blend of technology, performance, and sustainability. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Model 3 isn't just about looking good, but it's about redefining what we expect from a car's appearance. Tesla has kept the minimalist, sleek design we know and love, but with some key updates that make it stand out even more. When it comes to performance, this body has been subtly refined. The 2025 aerodynamic elements will likely feature upgraded electric motors, offering even better acceleration, a more aggressive driving experience, and enhanced range. Tesla has always been known for the insane acceleration of its electric vehicles, and this year's model is expected to continue that trend with a 0-60 mph time that could rival some of the fastest sports cars on the market. On top of that, range has been improved. You can expect the 2025 Model 3 to go further on a single charge, making it even more practical. But let's not forget about the technology, which is of course a huge selling point for any Tesla. The 2025 Model 3 is rumored to feature enhanced autopilot capabilities and might even take a step closer to full self-driving. Tesla's commitment to software updates means that, just like with past models, your car will only get smarter over time. Expect a more intuitive user interface with better integration with other devices, including the possibility of new, improved voice commands. Of course, there's also the massive touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the car, giving it a futuristic feel that no other vehicle in its class can match. When it comes to safety, Tesla has always been ahead of the curve, and this model will be no exception. With features like automatic emergency braking, collision detection, and an even more advanced version of Tesla's autopilot, you'll feel safer on the road than ever before. Finally, let's talk about the price. Tesla has been known for making electric vehicles that are more affordable than many traditional luxury brands, and it looks like the 2025 Model 3 will continue that trend. While it might be a bit more expensive than previous models, it's still one of the most cost-effective electric vehicles out there, considering the performance and features you're getting. There you have it. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 looks set to be one of the most exciting cars of the year. Whether you're a Tesla fan or just someone interested in the future of electric vehicles, this model is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest cars and tech.